Welcome to solverfy.
In this problem, we are given that there is a bird whose mass is 3.72 kg, and this is able to dive in order to catch a worm such that it loses 648 joules of the potential energy, and we are required to determine the initial height of this owl in meters. So we simply use this formula according to which the gravitational potential energy at height h is given by m times g times h, where g here is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second square, and we see that the loss in potential energy is 648 joules, which means that m times g into h would be equal to 648. So let's just solve this equation. So we will get h here as 648 divided by m times g, which is 3.72 times 9.8. So we multiply 648 with 1 by 3.72 times 9.8, and this turns out to be 17.77 meters approximately, and that's the answer.